kind of doing a continuation of yesterday's video, or the last video. I don't know when I'm going to get around to uploading this. But yeah, got to pull the radiator today so that I could get this fan shroud thing out. It's kind of caught in there, so you can't really pull it out without this radiator getting yanked first. So I went ahead and soaked PB blaster around these hoses. See, slide right off. I intend on replacing these little clamp ring things here with these little butterfly ones because they're so much more convenient. And yeah, that's the mission today. I thought I might share this with you guys. So check this out. When I lift up on this, weirdly enough, this little smog wiring thing moves with it. Watch. Another good little tip is to blast some PB blaster up around this stuff. If you guys can see that. And then I'll loosen the edges with a flathead screwdriver to allow it to get in there. And we'll let it sit for a little bit. Alright, as you can see, I got both transmission lines disconnected from the radiator. Just almost getting there. I had a hell of a time reaching the lower radiator hose, so I ended up having to cut it because it's all stiff and hard to move. But it's going to be replaced anyhow, so no harm done. I had a hard time removing this off of the radiator cap area. And it leads to the, well, it would have led to the reservoir here. But I just pulled it at this end and, yeah, let it dangle. Before you pull it, you're probably going to also have to pull the upper radiator hose. I had already done it because, as you see, I have my engine open because I'm working on that too. Love you too. So with the help of my wife, I forgot to film it, but radiator just lifted straight out, one person on each side, up and out. So now the shroud, now that I have the fan removed, or the blades on the motor, should just lift right on out. And there you go. Now I got the electric fan out, I can go ahead and unplug it. And yeah, it gets us a little bit farther on our build. If you guys were wondering where the clip was to unhook the electric fan, mine was tucked away here alongside the fender wall on the passenger side. Give you guys some footage of what the radiator looked like. Looking down where the radiator sat on that little frame thing that holds it, looks like it's got some corrosion and even like a little zip tie thing holding something there. I don't know what the purpose of that is, but when I get around to cleaning it, we'll see if it's salvageable. Chances are it's probably not, but we'll see.